Madame Gigi. And I am gonna do her makeup today. Hi. So I first started with this glue stick. It's not really glue stick, it's primer.
We're just doing this side too, by the way.
So you first start with in the buff. Oh wait. Right there. Right there. In the buff. The buff. Okay. You put it all over your finger. Okay, now you just spread that gum.
Gum.
Come. Oh. Stop laughing. You're weird. Hold up. Okay. Brushes. Oh.
No, don't use any brushes.
I don't care. Okay. Are you done? What is this? No. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna play with all your makeup.
No.
This shit's fun.
No. I'm so scared to look at myself.
Don't look at yourself. Oh, I like this one better.
I'm gonna do that smoky eye on you.
Okay. So now you use the like a virgin.
Oh my god.
You put it all over the brush. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Hold on, girl.
Oh, I think it's better with your finger.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do this. Okay, so now you use stiletto.
Can you get
Like this black. I don't know.
Oh my god.
Ashes. You know the.
Don't move me.
Why are you calling me a Bono? What you want, nigga?
You already didn't mess up.
It's a girl. Yeah. Bye, Ratchet. Okay. No, stop! I'm not done yet! Ratchet.
We're putting makeup on each other. God, I can't wait to see the other half of my face.
Oh, shit.
Oh my god,
I don't know what I did to your face.
Oh.
Damn, black and white. Okay, so now you're gonna use some of this. Where's your liquid liner?
Oh my god.
Oh wait, no, I gotta
use that one. Use that.
I gotta show my face.
No, not yet.
Where are your vibrant colors at, girl?
The only vibrant, the ones over there.
Where's the Stilla one? You didn't use this yet?
I have.
Oh my god, some girls do their makeup like that at school. Oh my god, that is so...
Ew. That's some ugly shit. Okay, now you're gonna use some of the turquoise because you got to be vibrant.
You're putting this on your tumbler, right?
What?
I feel beautiful.
So this is how the girls in our school wear their makeup. Kind of showing you an opportunity. I'm gonna do some like rainbow color, okay? Fuck that black and white shit.
Ghetto fabulous.
Ghetto fabulous. Girl, you say it. Okay, one streamer of orange.
No! No, not yet! Stop it!
You got some good makeup.
Should I show him now?
No.
I'm gonna show him now.
No.
I can't wait to see my face.
Wait.
What is this for? The eye stick. Close your eye. Probably put dots all over my face. Close your eye. Close your eye.
What are they doing?
That's full of like layers on my...
Damn, rainbow.
Can't even tell.
It's better like, I don't know. It's a purple too. Wow, love this.
Okay.
Love this.
Hold up. Can I look now? No, not yet.
Oh
I'm
wait,
getting
no,
impatient.
I like the school.
Wait!
Yeah, there you go.
Please, no more dots on my freaking face. I swear.
Dang, gay pride.
Okay. She's gonna be like, what is this?
It's not that bad looking, actually, compared to the girls.
Wait, is this some like?
That's eyeliner. Oh my god, that's not gonna come off.
Really?
Whatever, just put it on.
Okay. Great.
Are you done? Please. One more. I need some more, please. Oh my god.
Can I make like those designs?
Yeah, go ahead, I don't care.
Flower time. Where's your eyeliner be at?
Oh my god, I know exactly what to do.
Where's your eyeliner be at, girl?
I got it. Is it done? Are you done?
What is that?
What is that?
Is that DNA?
RNA.
Are you done? Okay, now I want to show him my face. No,
A little bit thin, wait. Stop moving! Oh my god!
You know, my dog
Ginger needs to work.
I'm tempted right now.
No.
Don't use them.
Touches into my eyes. Cannot see shit.
Hey, what I use for this?
Oh shit.
What I use for this?
Messed up a little. Someone make it thicker.
Don't look at yourself yet. Oh my god.
Hey, look above
my
here.
face so bad. Give me your lip.
Wait.
Oh no, please. I don't want lip. I don't want lip on my lip. Fine. Okay, are you done? No. Wait. Wait. What the hell is this?
Let me add some dots now, or some cheetah prints raw.
Oh my god, Dominique.
Stop!
But she looks decent.
Are you serious?
You're not supposed to let her be decent.
Does this look decent to you?
Wait, what is this? What is this?
I look like a hooker.
Oh my god,
shit, I just had
more.
Okay, I'll make a star.
Okay, I'm done.
Or a triangle.
Done.
I gotta do
Oh my
it.
god!
It's just to like add some depth to your eyebrow. This is fun.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Take a picture.
You have to take a picture of me.
I look like a man.
Oh my god!
You made me look like a man.
Damn, you look like the black girls in our school.
This is what we do.
Oh shit!
Just
it
to
kinda
set it.
covered
What'd you say?
Okay. Okay, now I gotta fill in your eyebrows.
Isabel, which one is it? Isabel!
No, you have to use an eyeshadow.
Hey, where did
What?
can I use your phone? Dominique?
For what?
So I can take a picture and send it to him? Thanks. Okay, I'm gonna send you it, okay?
Oh my god. Oh no, my
Okay,
god.
bye.
Okay.
Wait, Isabel, which one is it?
It's this one, right? Kinda bad, but it's okay.
Okay.
Here, let me fix it. Look over here.
Ratchet.
Oh, it works.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I can't even take a picture.
Rainbow go-go power. Shit, man, you look sexy. Gotta define it a little more right here.
Okay,
Sorry.
Mila, your turn. Hold on, let me take a picture for Christian.
Look. Shit, you look sexy. Hold up, you gotta add some of that
Hold up.
glitter.
This is my alter
between
ego.
your eyes because that's what the Asian girls in our school be doing. Open your eyes. Stop! You're marking me. Beauty hurts, girl.
Hold on, let me send this to him first.
Dang,
What are you doing?
You look great.
Right or the left?
Now let me poke some of
We're gonna
this.
do this one. You're
Yeah,
gonna
look
do
at
it.
this.
Right now? Yeah.
Oh my god.
Don't take a
What else do the black girls do in our school? Oh, this is pretty
Put hella
long.
blush on.
Oh,
Don't.
you gave me an idea. Hold up.
You have to find it somewhere.
Oh, I found some bronzer.
Oh my
Hella
god.
bronzer.
That's not gonna show up. The other one will.
Why'd they do that too? Sun-kissed face. Sun
No, not this side. Just this side. Oh, it's on my mouth.
Sun-kissed face. On your nose. On your nose.
Put blush. This is horrible. This is a horrible idea.
Oh, is it this one, right?
Oh god.
Smile. Does it work?
Oh no.
Do you have like a brighter one? Can I use like eyeshadow?
You have to. I'll show you.
You have like really good makeup. Did it work?
I have a red one too.
Oh.
Well, it's a stick though.
Oh,
You have to find it.
Oh gosh.
No, it's not this
Can you
one.
put lip liner on that one? It's not even sharpened. So how do you send a picture? Oh, never mind. What? Stop!
You spread it out now.
Oh my god!
What do we use for this, Dominique?
Shit, you look.
It looks like a burn.
What do we
I'm a
use for
burn
this?
victim.
What do we use for this?
Just use your fingers.
Oh, is this the eyeliner? Can I try it?
Okay.
Where's
This
the
side.
Where's the stick to? Girl, it's over there. Is it this one?
Oh my god, what's
Look
that?
at ass.
That's eyeliner.
Can I try it on me?
On you?
I've never tried this before.
Oh, fine. Okay, well, I'm stopping this video for now. So you could edit it later. Here is a close-up.
Can I record me and Vilas? Let me record me and Vilas. Turn it around.